So we're down here in Eltham. This is just an update video of the progress so far. So what we're doing on this project is we've brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. Started cutting out and replacing all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks. What else we're doing on this project is removing all of the paint from all of the stonework and then taking everything back to natural stone. So as you can see, the capitals, they've been carved now. So case of just keep burning your paint off and then filing, restoring all of the stonework. As you can see, the face above the front door, that's all been carved now. That's all looking fantastic. Top floor, all been cut out and cleaned. As you can see, the window heads all been taken back to stone now. I mean, look at the attention to detail on this. Looks absolutely fantastic. Everything all back to natural stone, not one bit of paint left on now. Look at the detail in all them capitals. Looks absolutely incredible. Customers are absolutely over the moon. So very time consuming work this, but the end result absolutely fantastic. Once again, stonework's like glass, smooth, so smooth, all honed in, all the profiles lovely and sharp. So yeah, looking really well. Then once we get all the stonework done, we're going to be tuck pointing all the brickwork in the front of this house. We're also repointing the back of the house, also doing the chimney stacks as well, cleaning and cutting out the chimney stacks. So lots more to be getting on with. Going to keep us going now for the next 2 to 3 weeks. So far so good. Another project being finished to the highest standard as always. So if you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.